Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the wall is non-load bearing or that a licensed engineer approved conversion. Once confirmed, remove drywall sections spanning one stud bay, cut vertical tracks from metal studs with a reciprocating saw, exposing fasteners. Make sure to preserve top and bottom plate alignment, mark precise stud centers. Now, clear debris, test plate straightness, and dry fit a plastic stud to check fit and anchor points. This immediate action sets an accurate baseline for replacement. Once done removing the metal stud, lift it out carefully, keeping adjacent framing undisturbed. You then cut the PVC stud to the measured length, deburr edges, and dry fit. Make sure 0.5 to 1 mm clearance at both ends so the stud seats without bowing. Use shims to align plumb and check with a level from both faces. Fasten the plastic stud to the top and bottom plates with washered, corrosion-resistant screws, spacing per manufacturer specs, and recheck vertical alignment. You finish by screwing drywall to the new PVC studs, tape seams, and apply sealant at the plate-to-stud transition. This prevents air and moisture migration. Once panels are hung, inspect plumb, fastener torque, and deflection under a light push. Make sure nothing shifts. If you encounter bowing or squeaks, stop and reshim the affected stud, add short blocking between studs, or swap that plastic stud for a new one. This single troubleshooting step resolves most post-install issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.